Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raha. In this unit, we will discuss images and how to incorporate them into our web page. Images are one of the most crucial elements of websites. At the end of this lecture, you should be able to describe the nature of electronic images, compare and contrast the main types of images used on the web, embed images into web page using the HTML image element, configure images as hyperlinks, use CSS to add images to the background of HTML elements, use CSS to use images in unordered lists, and finally add a favorite icon to a web page. At the beginning, let's answer this question. What is an electronic image? A computer screen is composed of millions of individual pixels. When you look at a computer screen up close, you'll notice tiny dots or squares. Each of these is called a pixel, short for picture element. These pixels are the smallest unit of color that make up a digital image. An image is little more than a rectangular block of pixels. Think of an image as a grid, where each square in the grid represents a pixel. When you zoom out from a digital image, you see it as a whole picture. But up close, it's just a collection of these tiny squares. A raw image file is a set of metadata and data for setting the colors of each individual pixel in that block. When you save an image on your computer, it's stored as a file. The file contains not only the actual colors of each pixel, but also additional information, such as the size of the image, the type of colors used, and other details. This extra information is called metadata. The term bitmap refers to a specific type of image file format. In a bitmap file, each pixel is individually mapped out, meaning the file contains information about the color of each pixel in the image. Bitmap files, as mentioned earlier, store information about each individual pixel in an image. Because of this level of detail, the file size can become significant, especially for high-resolution images. For example, assume an image with a resolution of 1000 pixel wide by 1000 pixel high. Since there are 1000 pixels horizontally and 1000 pixels vertically, the total number of pixels in the image is 1 million. This is commonly referred to as 1 megapixel. In many bitmap image formats, each pixel is represented by 3 bytes, which store information about the color of that pixel, 1 byte each for red, green, and blue. So for a 1000 by 1000 pixel image, with each pixel taking up 3 bytes, the total file size would be 3 megabytes. Despite advances in technology, a 3 megabyte image file is still considered large, especially for web usage, where loading times are crucial for user experiences. A single web page may contain multiple images, ranging from a few to thousands. Websites, especially those with extensive content, can feature thousands of images across various pages. Each image file needs to be stored on the server where the website is hosted. When a user visits the website, these image files are transferred over the internet to the user's device and then loaded into the memory of their web browsers to be displayed on the web page. This process can impact website loading times and user experience, especially if the images are large in size.